Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, your device ran into a problem and needs to restart Windows blue screen error. First method is power off 3 times after Windows 11 startup logo. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press F5 key to enable safe mode with networking. Click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Uninstall recently installed apps. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Properties, click Driver tab. Click Rollback Driver if option is available. Click Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Startup and Recovery. Uncheck Automatically Restart. Restart System. Second method is click Command Prompt. Type BCD edit, find your Windows installed drive, in my case Windows installed drive is C. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space, /c:\. Type sfc space, /scanno. Exit and restart system. Third method is click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press F5 key to enable safe mode with networking. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click View Installed Updates, uninstall recently installed update. Restart system. Fourth method is click System Restore. Select previous restore point. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.